मैम आपने म्यूट कर रखा है।
ओह सॉरी बेटा, सॉरी, पहले ही बता देते। इट्स लॉन्ग टाइम आई स्टार्टेड. नाउ इट्स ऑडिबल टू ऑल.
Yes, ma'am.
इज इट ऑडिबल?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा हाथों हाथ बता दिया करो, बिकॉज 3-4 minutes have been passed. So LBC, ठीक है, तो you have to write LBC codes. This is a classification, systematic block codes and non-systematic block codes. ठीक है, systematic block codes means there is a fixed sequence कि initially there will be a message bits, original message and then check bits will be added. ठीक है, तो message bit appears at the beginning of code word and then check bits. Clear? And in non-systematic codes there is no such fixed system. ठीक है, they are mixed in blocks and it is not possible to identify message bits and check bits. ठीक है, it is a mixed in block and we cannot identify message bits and check bits over here. It's mixed and match. So these are the classification. Now students, please write down the designing steps. First step, to design linear block. And see students, generally in exam, in question, they always ask you the systematic block codes. कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, that means it is a systematic block codes only. And if it is mentioned in the question that please simplify it using non-systematic code, then you have to simplify with this method. ठीक है, otherwise it is always systematic. So first designing steps you can write down in your copy. Describe LBC in matrix form. Second step, first is describe LBC in matrix form. Second step, find out the minimum distance of block code. Minimum distance of block code, which is very important. Find out the minimum distance of block code, and in bracket you can write error control capabilities. Error control capabilities of LBC can be determined by its minimum distance. ठीक है, and third point, to decode LBC. Third point, to decode LBC. So at the receiver side, we are decoding LBC. ठीक है, that is correcting and detecting errors. So error, correcting and detecting. ठीक है, now first part of this is matrix representation. So these are the designing steps. Moving ahead. So here, matrix representation of LBC code. You can write down the heading. Matrix representation of LBC codes. So how these codes are defined? These codes are defined as 6,3 LBC, 7,4 LBC. That means N, K LBC codes. K is the length of original message. Original message is passed to channel encoder and it will generate N number of bits. So always N is greater than K. This is the first condition. ठीक है? So here 6,3 means 3 bits means K message bits. Coded bits is of 6, that is n. This is a total. ठीक है ना? n minus k is my check bits. ठीक है? And c is the code word. This is the code word generated. C. So first k bits of code words. Now students, you can write down all the things. First k bits of code words are the message bits, which you can write C1 equals to D1, C2 equals to D2, CK equals to DK. ये क्या हो गए मेरे जो कोड वर्ड डिजाइन होगा उसके फर्स्ट k bits. That is the message bits. Okay. Then you can write down here. Then the last n minus k bits. Then the last n minus k bits in the code word are check bits. In the code words are check bits generated from k message bits. ठीक है? Now in continuation with this, students, you have to write here ck plus 1. C1 till ck. K के बाद क्या होगा? K plus 1 bit. ठीक है? So here you have to write the equation P11 D1 then P21 D2. This sequence is very important till PK1 DK. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? अब मैं क्या कर रही हूं? आई एम फाइंडिंग द नेक्स्ट कोड वर्ड दैट इज CK plus 1 by having some combination of probability and the data bits. P11 is the probability which is multiplied by D1. This is XORing. Then P21 D2. Then the last bit PK1 DK. ठीक है? This is CK plus 1 bit. सबने लिख लिया है? All have completed this in their copies. So in continuation with this, next, am I audible, students? Students, am I audible? Okay. And the screen is also visible to you? Okay. So in continuation with that, now you will write, उसी के नीचे लिखते जाओगे CK plus 2. P12 D1 plus P22 D2 plus till PK2. ठीक है? DK. Then the last CN bit of the code word is P1 n minus k D1 plus P2 n minus k D2 plus the last bit PK n minus k. ठीक है? And DK. When we will simplify this as a numerical, all the concepts will be clear to you. So now you can write down the coefficients P of ij. P of ij. ठीक है? The coefficient P of ij are zeros and ones, and the addition operation are performed in modulo 2 arithmetic. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट अ सिंपल एडिशन साइन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, this is not an simple addition. This is a modulo 2 arithmetic. ठीक है, that is XOR gate. And you all know the truth table. Yes, student, please tell me the values of XORing. Who will tell? 0 0 XOR is? Yes, Aditi, very good. 0 0 1. Zero one is 1. Very good. 1 0 is 1. And 1 1 is? Many students gave wrong answer. Few students gave right answer. That is 0. XOR में क्या होता है? Whenever we are having same bit, same transitions, the output is always 0. Otherwise, in ANDing, we multiply. In ORing, we add. ठीक है, तो 1 plus 1, 1 और 1 क्या होता है students? 1 और 1 is तो फिर XOR और OR में क्या डिफरेंस है? अगर 0 आ जाएगा तो 1 ORing 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. ठीक है, XORing 1 1 is 0. ठीक है, so this operation is performed over here. This is modulo 2 arithmetic. Everywhere we are performing that. It is not simple addition. Keep that in mind. Okay, so now in matrix form you can write down next line. In matrix form you can write the code generated C is equals to C की क्या length होगी students? The first basic is to represent all the data words in your matrix form. तो matrix में क्या हो जाएगा? 1 cross n. Am I right? Then C कैसे मिलेगा मुझे? पहले मैं data bits लूंगी which will be multiplied by any new generator matrix, any matrix which is very important parameter. ठीक है, that parameter is known as G. That is generator matrix to find the parity bits. ठीक है, तो we will use generator matrix. G is very important parameter. ठीक है, as powering bit can be reduced by selecting proper G. Selection of G is very important, which is known as generator matrix. ठीक है, तो C को क्या लिखोगे? जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स. एंड इन जनरल यू कैन राइट दिस एज C इज इक्वल टू DG. ठीक है, G is the generator matrix. And why it is known as a linear code, students? What do we mean by linearity over here? ठीक है, linear का मतलब होता है कि sum of two code word is also code word in that same sequence. C1, C2, C3, C4 codes are designed. ठीक है, by adding any two code words, a new code word in the same sequence can be generated. That is a linearity property. You can write down a code C is called linear if the sum of two code words is also a code word in C. ठीक है, and we can find out the rank of generator matrix, which is very important. Rank of generator matrix is given by K. In question, they generally ask what is the rank of generator matrix of your design code. So that is equals to K. ठीक है, now in continuation with the previous things, C क्या है? मेरा एक मैट्रिक्स है जो 1 क्रॉस n है. ठीक है, तो लास्ट में क्या मिलेगा? Cn. ठीक है, and how I will find generator matrix? It is given by K cross N, which is equal to You can write down, you can define this generator matrix as this. What is IK, students? Can you tell me what is I? I क्या है, कोई बता सकता है? Yes, students. What is I? Anyone? Very good, Pratibha. It is identity matrix. IK is the identity matrix of order K. Identity matrix of order K and P. अब P क्या है? P is an arbitrary K by n minus K matrix. K cross n minus K matrix. It is an arbitrary K by n minus K matrix. Where P is specified, it defines n comma K block codes completely. Okay, you can write down P is specified and it defines n comma K block codes completely. So P is very important over here. And it is a K cross n minus K matrix. K cross n minus K matrix. Okay? So moving ahead in this, I think the concept will be clear to you. Now we can write down G matrix K cross n. कैसे फाइंड करेंगे इसका ओवरऑल मैट्रिक्स K क्रॉस के आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स विथ पैरिटी मैट्रिक्स गिवन बाय K क्रॉस n minus K and the overall generator matrix is K cross n. So you can define it like this. Or see, in some books it is reversed also, PIK. In some books it is PIK. Finished? ठीक है? All the basic concepts are clear, students? So now we'll simplify numerical. Write down the first example. I will show you one more thing over here. See, students, binary fields. How we define binary fields in the form of zeros or one? The binary field has two operators, addition and multiplication, such that results of all operations are in K. The rules of addition and multiplication are as follows. You can see it is not a simple addition. It is a modulo 2 addition or XOR gate. 0 XOR 0 is 0. ये हमने देख लिया है, ठीक है. Multiplication 0 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. Else it is 0. Linear codes की definition क्या थी? If I am having two codes A and B, the sum of A and B denoted by this is defined by this. A code C is called linear if the sum of two code word is also code word in C. ठीक है? If by adding these two code word, new code generated which is also present in C, then it is a linear codes. Now write down Hamming weight and distance. Next topic, Hamming weight and distance. Yes, student, finish writing down this. What is Hamming weight and Hamming distance? ठीक है? Let C be a code of length n. The Hamming weight of C denoted by W of C. It is a weight. Weight is denoted by WC. ठीक है? This is my Hamming weight. Is the number of ones in a code word. मेरा code word है 8 digit का और उसमें सिर्फ 5 है code words, then that will define the weight of the code. ठीक है, 8 bit code word है, उसमें से 5 bit मेरे 1 है, so that is my Hamming weight. ठीक है, let A and B be the code word of length n. The Hamming distance between A and B denoted by DAB is a number of positions in which A and B differs. If I'm having 2 different code words, ठीक है, at how many places the position differs, that is my Hamming distance. Thus, the Hamming weight of a code word C is the Hamming distance between C and 0. That is, ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है दोनों का फॉर्मूला, Hamming distance और Hamming weight के बीच में कंपैरिजन है. This seems to be a little bit complicated over here, but when we'll simplify the numerical, all the concepts will be clear. So WC is D, C comma 0. Similarly, Hamming distance can be written in terms of Hamming weight, which is given by DAB and weight XORing A and B. ठीक है? Next important concept is minimum distance. You can write down minimum distance in your copy. The minimum distance D mean of a linear code C is defined as the smallest Hamming distance between any pair of code words in C. Okay, students, that is the minimum distance of the code word. So now we will simplify one numerical. Please write down in your copy the G matrix for a 7,4 LBC. The G matrix or generator matrix for a 7,4. Please write down in your copy. You have to simplify. LBC is given below. Find all code vectors of this code. So generator matrix is given to you. ठीक है, here we are using this method. So identity matrix is first, and identity matrix में कितनी rows और कितने columns होंगे student for this 7,4 code? Who can tell? For 7,4 block codes, I will have how many rows and column in G matrix? Who can tell? Yes, student, am I audible to all? Okay, very good. So K matrix क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? I matrix I will write down over here. It's a different color pen. I matrix होगा मेरा K cross K. ठीक है, that is 4 cross 4. So I will write down the matrix. Sorry, students. It is 1 0. ठीक है. Now the K matrix. K matrix given to you is 0 1 1, then 1 0 0, then it is 0 1 0, and then it is 1 1 0. This is given to you in the question. ठीक है, अब ये क्या है मेरा? Second matrix is the P matrix, parity matrix. ठीक है, which is very useful to find out the code one. C K plus 1 से हम जो यूज में लेते हैं P11 D1 plus in continuation then C K plus 2. ठीक है, there we required this P11 P12 P21. So this matrix is defined over here, P matrix. ठीक है, I think this all have written this in your copy. Finish, students? Moving ahead in this. So you should have all these values in your copy. Okay, student, am I audible to all? Please, student, don't join so late. So, in continuation with this, sir, do send the attendance. So here, what I will do now, C is given to you. Now I will find the P matrix. P matrix is given by, you can write down the exact sequence, which is very important over here. This is the matrix given to you. ठीक है? Now solution क्या है? This is my LBC encoder. Input, output, input message bit length is 4 bits. ठीक है? That is D1, D2, D3 and D4. You can always draw this block diagram so that the examiner will understand this question very easily. And he will come to know that you know all the basic concepts. Code word generated C1, C2 till C7. ठीक है? This will be the code word generated. और इसमें first 4 bits क्या होंगे? Same D1, D2, D3 and D4. This will remain same. ठीक है? In the code word generated. Clear? But the last bits which starts from CK plus 1 till CM. CK plus 1 क्या होगा? C5, C6 and C7. ठीक है? Here we are designing a 7,4 code. N is 7 and K is 4. ठीक है? तो 3 bits जो मुझे find करनी है, those are my parity check bits. These bits we have to find to define the original code word C. ठीक है? Then the message will be encoded first, then it will be transmitted. So this is the role of your LBC encoder. So now, student, what you will do, and rate of information for this kind of transmission will be, rate of information will be your 7/4 rate of transmission. Okay, now you will write down the formula and you will find out the values of code. So C is equal to D into G. Okay, students, please write down it properly. Finish, students. C is equal to DG. It's my pleasure. So now, what we will do, students? We will find out the code words. ठीक है? उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? ये मैट्रिक्स वापस लिख लो तुम, जो ओरिजिनल G में गिवन था. P11 is 011, 100, 010 and 110. ठीक है? Now we will find out this. To find this, how many code words will be generated, student? 2 to the power k. That is 16 because k is my 4. So now here we will prepare a table. How we have to find the code, I will tell you. Draw a table. ठीक है? Where you will write down first column serial number. ठीक है? How many possible combinations to the power k? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 15. ठीक है students? Then I will have input message bits combination D1, D2, D3, D4. ठीक है? Then I will write the code words. Am I right? This is my code word. ऊपर लिख सकते हो तुम code word generated. Here input message bits. You can write it, draw the table properly. Then minimum distance. Between two poles. That is having distance. ठीक है? Now this is the code table generated. सबने बना लिया table. Now you can write all possible 16 combinations over here. यहाँ लिखो सारे combinations. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरीके से सारे कॉम्बिनेशन लिख लो पहले. ये लिख लिया बेटा, बना लिया सबने? Should I move ahead? Okay. So in continuation with this, now how we have to find this code words? ठीक है? So you have to find code words. See students, we all know C is equal to D, G. First bit क्या है मेरा? All zeros. कुछ भी हो generator matrix, I will get 0 only. ठीक है? That is 1 cross 7. This is my C. Am I right? Okay, student. Now this is first code. Then second, C, D will be 00001. Now what I will do? I will write the whole generator matrix over here. Row column multiplication will take place, and I will generate this C code word as. You can please multiply. You all know matrix multiplication, and check whether you are getting the second code message as this. ठीक है? This is for second possible combination. Please find out. I am waiting student. यहाँ G लिखो पूरा और ये कोड वर्ड C वेरीफाई करो whether it is coming out to be same or not. I am waiting for your answer. Please do it fast. Yes, students, are you doing this? Waiting for the answer, whether you are getting this or not. Aditi, Pratibha, Amisha. Yes, I am waiting. No problem. But please simplify and verify that you are getting this answer or not. Yes, students, finish. Is it that difficult? You are taking so much of time. Write down G and multiply row and column. नहीं आता है? Should I solve that? कि चारू का हो गया है, तो you are getting the same answer, चारू. Okay, and how many others are getting the same answer?
Done.
Okay, Amisha also finished. Others? Okay, so this is the second code word generated, student. Okay, now what we will do? We will fill this in our table. Okay, in our table. So for first code word, what I got here is 0. So here I will get 0, 0, 0 over here in the first. Okay, second column I will get second things C2 code जो हमने फाइंड किया था यहाँ पे. ठीक है, then this is my second code generated. Okay, now student please find out the third code. C is equal to for third message bits. Third message bit क्या है मेरा? 0, 0, 1, 0. And again write down the generator matrix and find out the answer and tell me in the chat box. I'm waiting for the third code to be generated, which is having data bits as 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, students, so please do that. And if you have any doubt in multiplication, do tell me. I will clear your doubts. Waiting for your answer, student. Please write the answer in the chat box. Okay. ये किसका आंसर है? प्रतिभा का. Okay, next answers, other students. और किसी का आंसर आया? Yes, all others are simplifying this. Are you getting this answer or not? प्रतिभा के जैसा ही आंसर आ रहा है, कुछ और आ रहा है तुम्हारा? Please mention in the chat box. And Pratibha's answer is right. The third code word generated is 001, 0010. Okay, now student, in continuation with this, you have to fill the whole table. This table you have to fill. Okay, you have to fill this table. For first 0, for second, for third till 16. So 16 different code words will be generated. So is it clear how to fill this table, how to generate the code words? Yes, students. So this is your homework. At home, you have to complete this. Okay, then we will discuss minimum distance between two codes in the next class. So here you have to find this and you have to find the rate RC. RC is N by K times RB. Okay, so find that bit rate. Input bit rate RB is 1 upon TB. Okay, this we all know. Input message bits are of 4 size. Output coded word is of 7 bit. So rate of transmission will be N by K times RB. So this is clear to all. So it's your homework to complete this table for 16 different combinations. And if you have any doubt, we can discuss these doubts in the next class. So we will wind up our class over here, students. Please complete this table. So goodbye, students. Take care.